Alright, so in this tutorial I will guide you on how to send money from Uganda to Kenya. There are many options you can use. The first one is by using mobile money. So with mobile money you can send money from MTN Uganda to Safaricom M-Pesa. So to send money by using MTN Uganda to Safaricom Kenya, you just need to dial star 165 hash, then select the first option, which is send money, then select international transfer, which is 3, then select Safaricom M-Pesa, then enter the recipient number in format beginning with 254. So that's how you can send money from MTN Uganda to Safaricom M-Pesa from Kenya. Another method you can use is by using fintech apps such as Bata and Cheaper Cash. You can also use Bata app, which is Flutterwave Rev, to send money from Uganda to Kenya. Another method you can use Cheaper Cash. Cheaper Cash is also being used to send money from Uganda to Kenya. And another method you can use is by using bank transfer. So bank transfer is the easiest method, just like mobile money services. You just need to have your bank account and your recipient's bank account from Kenya, and just go to your nearest bank center and tell them the information that you need to send money to Kenya, and they will guide you through all the necessary steps with the bank transfer. You just need to visit your nearest bank center and they will guide you and ask you details like your friend bank account number, is Swift code, and they will send money to your friend who is in Kenya by using the bank transfer or wire transfer. Another method you can use to send money is by using money transfer services such as MoneyGram. MoneyGram is also being used. You can use also services like World Remit is also being used. But the best way, which many people prefer, is by using mobile money. As I understand, MTN Uganda with Safaricom Kenya is the easiest method to send money from Uganda to Kenya. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply.